The DJI Osmo 360 is making waves in the world of 360-degree cameras. Leaked details suggest that DJI is preparing to challenge the Insta360 X5 with a cutting-edge device that could redefine immersive content creation. This camera is rumored to support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring ultra-high-definition footage with remarkable clarity. With a 1/1.28-inch sensor, it may capture images up to 72 megapixels, making it a powerful tool for photographers and videographers who demand top-quality visuals. Battery life is expected to be shorter than the Insta360 X5, but the Osmo 360 might compensate with pass-through USB Type-C charging. This feature allows users to power the camera while mounted on a tripod or bike, ensuring extended recording time without interruptions. The mounting system seen in leaked images indicates that DJI has designed this camera with practicality in mind, making it ready for real-world use. One of the standout features of the Osmo 360 could be its integration with DJI's Mimo app. This app may provide advanced editing tools and seamless content sharing, allowing creators to refine their footage before publishing. While these leaks offer valuable insights, some key details remain unknown, such as official pricing and full specifications. However, if the rumored features turn out to be accurate, DJI is preparing to launch a game-changing device that could set new standards in 360-degree videography. With a rumored launch in July 2025, excitement is building among tech enthusiasts and content creators. Many are eager to see how this device will compare to existing competitors and whether DJI can deliver a product that meets expectations. As competition in the market grows, users are looking for innovation, ease of use, and superior performance. If the Osmo 360 lives up to its rumored capabilities, it could become an essential tool for professionals and hobbyists alike. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo 360 represents the next evolution in 360-degree cameras. With high-end specs, smart features, and seamless app integration, it could be a powerful alternative to its competition. While final details are yet to be confirmed, anticipation continues to grow. If DJI successfully delivers on these expectations, the Osmo 360 could revolutionize the way creators capture and share immersive content. Now, we wait to see if the hype turns into reality.